Hi guys, in today's video I'll be unboxing my Instax Mini 12, right, and a little background story as to why I got this. I've actually always wanted to get a camera of any type, and that's because I genuinely believe that people that have their childhood documented, they're definitely God's favorite, right? I do not have that privilege, so I've always wanted to get a camera where I can document my life now that I'm much older, right? So in today's video, I'll just be unboxing this. I've also wanted to get this since last year, but I was, conscious of the price. But thanks to Tinubu, the price almost doubled this year, so I had to go get it. So I hope you guys will enjoy it as much as I would. So yeah, let's get into that. Okay, so this is the unboxing. This is the camera, and we're going to remove it from the carton. It's so hard. There's so much paparazzi, but I'm here for it. So this is the strap. So I think that's the battery. It's so hard. Okay, so the manual first, since the battery decided not to come out. So here's the manual, really just to help me understand how the camera works. So here we are. Then the cutest thing ever. I actually like the color, so I'm just trying to cut out all of this and wait for it. Like I said, I've always wanted to get this camera since last year. I wish I did then, because now I got it, double the price. So here is it. The color is so nice. This is mint green. I think they have this camera in like 4 different colors. So yeah, I'm going to put the film inside the camera. I also got this separately, and this is how it looks. Here is the film, right, and I'll just put it straight into the camera. So just make sure the yellow thing here, I hope you can see, it matches the yellow that is here too, right, and voila, we have it. So I'm going to take a picture for you to see how it will look. So now I'm going to put the battery, right, and this is where you're going to insert the batteries. So you just need to like pull it down and you have it. So I'm just going to put the 2 batteries that came with it. Then we close it. Okay, so I think the camera is good to go. To switch it on, you just need to like roll this thing. There is a light that will come here that will just hint you that the camera is on. I'm going to take a selfie and we'll see what gets printed out. So yeah, so you also need to remember that the first thing that is going to be printed out is this black thing. Don't be scared, it's normal. So I'm going to retake my picture for you to see, and I'm sure it's going to look good. Yeah, so we're going to leave it for about 20-30 seconds for my picture to be printed out. I love it. So it's coming out. I hope you guys can see. So when you take a picture, you just have to leave it for like 10-20 seconds, and there you have it. And that's pretty it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you think. If you'll be buying this camera, I'll probably do like a follow-on video to see if the purchase worth it or not. But see you in my next video. Bye.